Hello everyone, my name is Hira Hussaini. I'm the senior lecturer here at the business school and the module leader for mobile business technologies. Now, mobile business technology is running for the second time here at the university, Hertfordshire Business School. What the mobile business is really learning the power of mobile for business. That's what it is. We want to learn how these different emerging new technologies on the mobile phones are playing a fantastic role in helping businesses to promote their products or services and also engage with customers. So that's what we try to do. Now, in general, it's one of those modules that keep changing all the time, and that's why we do everything to keep updating with the new material. Also, we write a lot. Actually, we publish articles and papers as well online, which we always make sure the students get to see them and read them. Now, the module covers first introduces the mobile into the module, then actually looks at the trends of different mobile platforms starting from iOS, Android, RIM and Samsung as well, but then it moves on at understanding what are the key elements that some of these features and different devices play for the businesses. Okay, now every business in one way or another needs to really understand what is the role that mobile brings to them. Now, of course, it will be your role as a graduate to go to the company and the CEO and actually tell them what needs to be done, what are the strategies, what are the ideas that you can implement in promoting their products or services. So, in other words, they will expect from you to know how to do this. In addition to that, we're going to look at mobile applications as well. So what are the key things that one needs to know before they either design or improve a mobile application and how that reflects to the business. Then later on in the module, we'll learn about the role of promoting mobile apps and how this can help you in terms of getting through to audience. Then just in the end, we'll also learn about the cost in general. How much do we need to kind of invest in building these applications or mobile websites? Now, in other words, you get a total package of the role of mobile for business. Now, we all have mobile businesses, well, mobile around us. We have tablets, iPads, all sorts of things. But then we actually take for granted some of these features that aren't these devices that help us to do quite an incredible job in social networking and also communicating with customers. Now, that's why we really want to cover this. Now, the assessment, there's no exam, so I'm sure you're smiling now, but it's 100% coursework, yeah, and what you'll need to do is, of course, you'll need to provide an individual piece of work, which is assessing a mobile presence for a company and looking at which are the things they're doing very well and what needs to be changed and what needs to be improved. So it's actually quite exciting because you'll be looking at real-time problems, okay? And it could be your current employer, it can be your future employer, it can be somebody you want to work for in the future. In other words, this single module can actually help you get to that job. And if that happens, I'll be very pleased. So tweet me, let me know if that ever happens. Now, the next thing is, of course, there is a group presentation where you will need to work together with your friends, choose an application for the business, and actually tell us what are the best way to promote that application. Okay, whether that's using social media, whether that's using Facebook, Twitter, whatever, but you will be assessing different ways of promoting mobile app, because we know there are hundreds of thousands of mobile applications designed as I'm creating this video now. Okay, now how do you stand out? What are the key things that one need to do to be able to make that application stand out? And that will be your role in the business. And lots of CEOs and managing directors will expect that from you. So you will learn, you'll enjoy it, you'll have fun, and there'll be also times when you'll be using your mobile phone while you study this module. And for the first time, you can actually do things using the mobile phone and nobody's going to scream at you. So it's going to be all good. Okay, the other thing when it comes to the module is the fact that the overall success on this module has been great. The overall average grade for this module was around 60% last year. And as I'm creating this video, I'm actually running the module this semester, and we have a huge interest from students that want not to just join the module, but actually start creating something. We also had students who had all sorts of ideas to actually build mobile applications while they're studying the module, and that's brilliant. So that's exactly what we want, because we would guide you and you'll get that for free. Okay, well, I hope I have given you a quick introduction about the module, and I hope I'll see you soon in the module and studying the module, and look forward to talking to you. Bye bye.